3, 2, 1, go!
Let the fuel fly. All right. Both alliances, fast and furious flinging of fuel. Close match so far. Looks like Blue has a slight advantage going into teleop. Their hub is about to go inactive in a few seconds. Yep. And Red Alliance will get the active hub. All right, let's see what Red Alliance will do. A lot of defense in the neutral zone. 2158 pushing fuel over into the outpost, so now the human players can shoot. Blue now has control of the active hub. Let's see what they decide to do. Every bot scoring. Steel Talons also scoring. 2158 just playing battle bots. Lifted 54-27 off the floor. That's going to be interesting. All right. Red Alliance has control of their hub. 6180, quick 5, score real quick. Here they come back for more. Right up in front of their hub. 1, 2, 3. Human players shooting. All right, back over to blue side. (10-118). Every bot trying to gather fuel in their alliance zone, trying to get into their scoring position as quickly as they can. There they go, right in front. Last 30 seconds of the match. Both hubs are active. A lot of shooting from the Red Alliance. Oh, that is some strange stuff there with that Red Alliance robot 2158. Oh, they flipped him. Oh, no. Time expires. Blue Alliance. 140-67. Ouch. Yellow card to Blue Alliance. Violation of G416.